The final part of this video series is to demonstrate how to create a lecture block to then go into our new lecture. To create a new lecture block, we go to block under collection types. We start by creating new entry, and now we can start entering our data. The title, the abstract. Here you can add the time it will take to complete the lecture. We can add the learning outcomes. In the document part, you will be adding the main learning content of the whole course, of the whole lecture. You can use these editors to enter the main content. You may use bullet points. And you can use italics and bold and other options like so. Under the slides option, you can then add the PowerPoint version of the same lecture block. Whatever you add in the document will show as a Word document file, and whatever you add in the slides will show as a PowerPoint file. For the slides, you can again enter the title here, and the content may be more precise than the document version, so you may only have bullet points. And you can add speaker notes where you can add, for example, more text from the document here. You can use the preview mode to see how your content will look on the consumer website, like so. So once I exit the preview mode, I can use this more option to insert images, format codes, or insert links or quotations. For example, to insert an image, I will click on that option, and I can add more images here or make folders. And in order to insert one of these images, I would tick it, click on finish, and the image will show here. So if I now go to preview mode, it will show me how the image will look. I can use the expand option to see this better. You can add your bibliography in the references section, and you may add keywords from the drop-down menu. Here you can also search and add keywords like so. You can add the authors from the list as well. I cannot add the lecture here. I need to go into the lecture to add the block in the said lecture. Finally, I can save this using the save button or publish it using the publish option. Finally, we can go to our published lecture and add the link to the blog that we created. Here, the color of this small circle denotes the version of the block, whether it's published or a draft. So you can add the published version and finally publish your lecture, and in the same way you can publish your course by adding the link to your lectures.